How to fix Snapchat message updating in less than 1 minute. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on it now, all what you want to do next is click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click here on delete and then click on clear cache. Go back, click on notifications management, make sure to disable the notifications and then click on data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 2 seconds or 3 seconds and disable it back. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe.